All right, we're going to be installing some snow guard on the roof. So we're about 2.5, 3 years into this roof, and the last couple of years we get snow for like 2 weeks out of the year. But when it comes down, it is piled up on the side here. So we picked up the snow guard. We're going to put it all along the top of the roof there, and I measured out a little gel poke, a measuring stick. So this is 20 inches, so I'll hang it off the edge there, and I'll be able to get this snow guard up. Let's go try. Peace out. All right, we're up the ladder. So I got the stick. Just gonna put it on the edge there, go up, use a clamp. Do the same on the other side and go all the way down. Okay, a little bit sketch there with the camera. You're on a tripod in the gutter. So what am I doing? Take my tape measure. I'm going from that metal edge down to here, 23 3/8. Then I'm taking a punch or a drill. I got both. Well, then I was clamping it with these little spring clamps. Then I'm taking a punch right there. I hope you don't fall here. Make sure that camera doesn't. Okay, once that's punched through, taking my screw, put that in there. Okay, then I'm putting on the next piece, 6-inch overlap. I'm going all the way down. I'm gonna do the whole thing, and then I'm gonna come up and I'll do the top there. I can't reach over or see, my ladder's too short. So I'll come back, do the top after. All right, let's keep going. Okay, well, I'm here at the end. I'm gonna measure back 6 inches, and I'm gonna put that clamp there. Then I can go over 10 feet, lay a piece down, and I know that's a 6-inch overlap. Okay, so I'm up on a ladder. I put some pool noodles just on the side here, and I'm able to reach up and over and do a punch right there, or use the drill bit. And those I'll be able to screw the tops all the way up. All right, so we got the system down pat. So I ended up using the extension ladder with the pool noodles up against the gutter. That worked a lot better than the step ladder. You can see there I was on the last step, the not a step. I ended up clamping it on both sides, about 20 inches up the roof, or from the front of the gutter, 23 3/8. I did ditch the story pole. I cut it too short. If I were to do it again, though, I would just cut I'd clamp the first one off at 23 3/8, and then I would measure down to the front of the gutter, and I'd cut a story pole that could fit in between there. That would have worked really good. But measuring worked out and clamping worked out. I got it down to about 8 to 10 minutes per a 10-foot stick. So it got going really quick. All right, update. It's another day. It's sunny out. I got a few minutes after work before the sun sets over those mountains. So I'm going to race to get on the snow guard. So here we are. And I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces on. I'm getting my 5th piece on now. And I figured this out. It's pretty quick. Each piece takes you, 8 minutes, I would say. So I'm up on the roof. When I move my ladder, I put the clamp at 6 inches past. Then I could take this guy, just lay it on top at 6 inches. Come over to this side, and I'll just measure from here down to here, my gap, which was 24 3/8. It could be whatever you want. Then I'll drill my first hole and get that in, go back, fasten down those other sides, and then I'll just use a punch and punch it all the way down. All right, the snow guard is officially complete. Whew, that was a job. This reminds me of Psalms 127 verse 1. Unless the Lord builds the house, those who build it labor in vain. You don't want to labor in vain. All right, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.